Now, who doesn't love a good pair of scissors? Scissors are one of those things that you have your favourite pair. Is that just me? Is that a bit sad? But I kind of have got a new favourite pair. It's not just because I'm brand ambassador for Spear & Jackson that I'm promoting these. They really are amazing. They have so many different functions, but if you only use them as a pair of scissors, I'm sure you'll think they're the best pair of scissors you've ever owned. So not only are they a pair of scissors, they're also a nut cracker, a garlic crusher, a bottle opener, and for ease of cleaning, when you open them really wide, the two blades split apart. Not only does it do that, then this becomes a knife and this becomes a serrated knife. And so these multifunctional scissors are not only easy to clean, really sturdy and satisfying to use, but you can use them in the garden and inside. I would suggest keeping a pair in the kitchen drawer for indoors and a pair in the shed or garage for outside, because it really is a multifunctional tool that is very handy. I've used these for cutting the top of a compost bag. I've used them for cutting little bits of foliage. I've used them for flower arranging. Many uses. Do make sure you look after them by sharpening them and also giving them a little bit of a spray with something like WD-40. And by doing that, you'll keep your scissors in tip-top condition.